Hey guys, Coach Marcus here, Las Vegas. Welcome back to my channel. I'm hopeful you guys are enjoying the content I'm posting. I'm at 72 subscribers. I was at 73 this week, but someone dropped off, which is okay. I understand some people don't like this type of content, but I want to be quick with this video. I wrote a book. It's called From Bankrupt to Better Living. It's available on Amazon. This is my story on how I went from being bankrupt, not one time, but two times, to recovering from bankruptcy, okay, and living a better life, right? And so on Amazon, there's an ebook, $5, paperback, 19.99. It's not a big book. You can read this probably in 1 to 2 days, but it's something I truly believe is going to help those of you who want to improve your finances. So I'm going to break this video up. So on Fridays, I record 2 videos. My goal is to upload one video on Monday and the other one on Thursday. I don't go back and edit these videos. I do them and post them, right? And I switched to using my iPhone because my camera didn't like that much. I like using my iPhone. So this is the book from bankrupt to better living, and the back of it is amazing. This is talks about turn rock bottom into your greatest comeback. That, man, being bankrupt, that was embarrassing. 42 years old, bankrupt. Daughter was 8 years old. Didn't want her to know mommy and daddy had some financial struggles. It was embarrassing. So it says Coach Marcus Jones turned his life around and went from broke and bankrupt to leading a successful business and inspiring thousands through the power of network marketing. Now, I don't use this channel to promote what I do with my business, but network marketing has been something that is the great equalizer on the planet for people who take advantage of that business model. It says now he wants to guide you to do the same. Okay, find your vehicle, guys. If you're struggling financially, you can put yourself in a position to where you can go from being broke to bankroll, right? I wanted to call this From Bankrupt to Bankroll, but Mrs. Jones, my wife, thought I should give it a more softer title. So transform your life and reclaim your dreams, break free from financial struggles, learn the secrets of prosperous entrepreneurship, build a lasting income, and leave a legacy. That is what I'm really focused on, is leaving a legacy. Turn your setbacks into comebacks. And remember this, guys, your choices today can shape your tomorrow. So it doesn't matter what happens to you in life. What matters is how you respond to what happens to you. That's the key to being successful. So get the keys from broke to bossed up. That's the purpose of this book. So this video is not very long. I'm going to do my next video. I want to read chapter 12, which I think is something that's very impactful. You guys are really going to like it, and go get the book. So go to Amazon. Okay, I'll post a link in the comments, in the description to the video with the Amazon link. Go get it. Get the ebook. Okay. Get the hard copy so you can have it and learn how I went from being bankrupt to living better, and how you too, if you're out there struggling financially like most people are, but you can change your situation around. All it takes is a decision, and it takes making and taking the right actions. So thank y'all for watching. Do me a favor, give me a like, and make sure you also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. And I'll see you on the next video where I'm going to read chapter 12. Have a great day.